Welcome to this explainer from the Agile Auditor at riskvigilantbharat. Let's investigate a major control failure. A buyer urgently creates a 20 lakh rupee purchase order, but the vendor never actually receives it. The entire factory completely halts. So why did this catastrophic operational failure happen? Well, that critical purchasing document was trapped behind an invisible digital padlock. We call this padlock the release strategy. It's your ERP software's automated approval routing system. It ensures a document absolutely cannot move forward until specific managers digitally unlock it. Think of a multi-lock bank safe. You turn your key, but the heavy door stays firmly shut. The branch manager must turn their key, and then the regional head enters a master code. Only when those specific locks are released in the exact required order does the door open. Let's look at a real corporate scenario from XYZ Limited to see this control in action. RIA creates a purchase requisition for a massive 50 lakh rupee server upgrade. That high value triggers a strict release strategy, demanding digital signatures from 3 specific managers. If the plant head goes on vacation and doesn't click approve, the document stays completely locked. RIA can't convert it into a purchase order, meaning absolutely zero money can be spent. Now, freshers constantly confuse the rule with the tool. Let's bust this common audit misunderstanding. Delegation of Authority, or DOA, is the written company policy deciding exactly who should approve. The DOA is the law. The release strategy is the digital police enforcing that law. Put on your auditor's hat for a second. A VIP manager is traveling and an order is stuck. The ultimate auditor's red flag? The IT department quietly overriding the system for an IT force approve. This dangerous workaround completely destroys your digital audit trail and blatantly bypasses all established controls. So to recap, the release strategy is that digital padlock ruthlessly enforcing your company's spending limits. But what happens when that digital padlock is broken from the inside? Find out in our next explainer.